Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance app for Quotex, step by step. First, ensure you have active and verified accounts on both Binance and Quotex. This is a crucial initial step for secure transactions. Next, you'll need to understand how these platforms integrate, primarily for funding your Quotex trading account using your Binance crypto assets. We'll cover linking your accounts to facilitate smooth and efficient transfers. Now, let's get your Quotex account funded. Open your Quotex app and locate the deposit section. Here, you'll choose cryptocurrency as your deposit method. You'll then be provided with a wallet address. Carefully copy this address and paste it into your Binance app when initiating a withdrawal. Always double-check the address to prevent any loss of funds during the transfer process. With funds in your Quotex account, you can now begin trading. Once you've made profits, withdrawing them is straightforward. Navigate to the withdrawal section in Quotex and select your preferred cryptocurrency. You'll input your Binance wallet address to receive the funds. Remember, transaction times can vary, so be patient. Always confirm all details before finalizing any withdrawal request. To ensure smooth operations, always confirm wallet addresses before any transfer. A small error can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Also, be mindful of transaction fees on both Binance and Quotex, as these can impact your overall returns. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.